Get set.
Go.
Woo!
That time I almost flew.
Oh, you flew right off.
I was just like, woo! Last time I went farther, flew.
Yep.
Alright, get set, go.
Jay, put it up in the air. Jay, put it up in the air like this. Okay, go. Woo! Oh, you forgot to slide.
I don't want to do it that way.
Oh, okay. You want her to put it back down?
Yeah.
Okay, put it back down, Jay.
Yeah, like that.
All right, ready? Oh, it probably dries off too fast for you. It's really hot out. Ready, set, go. How to stay dry on a hot spring day.
Yeah, spring day.
Spring day. Oh, yeah. I hope he doesn't eat my monarch.
Did you say?
Oh,
What did you say?
I said I hope he doesn't eat my butterfly. Okay, say bye, Loki. Loki, bye.